Ron, em maneira que já nos por escutar, a nossa colega Yantel, como já entusiasmo e orgulho celebrar o 4 aniversário de 15 on 15. Cultura noite está passando net por mim com Noticia Awe Nochi. Well, se usa de oportunidade aqui também para a lança também uma imagem nova de show e mais tempo minha cinta conversar com Yantel para nos dar tique mais detalhes aqui.
Hi there, I'm Yantalu. When one door closes, another opens.
Happy 4th anniversary, Yantel! 15 on 15 na cumpli su di 4 anos informando a comunidade inglesa riba nos isla. Nós também back atrás e corda com turcos a iniciar.
Because I think 4 years time really does fly. I started at ATV as an intern and then launched 15 on 15 on September 22nd, 2010 it must be since it's our 4 years. Time flies and it has been such a journey. Of course there are high and lows, but the highs certainly outweigh the low, and ATV is really and truly a great company to work for. There's so much heart and soul within everyone, and there is great support, and we have a curiosity for the news and to report to the viewers and to be involved with the community. So I think that's very important, and it has been a tremendous experience I wouldn't take one day away.
Now I see you have a new face for the show. You just made a big change today. Excited about that, and tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, well, I think I have to admit, through the years, I have looked at the show. I've always thought the content was up to par, but there were certain things that Tom and I and the rest of the team all kind of saw and criticized. There are some certain things that could have been tweaked in terms of making the set maybe a little bit more up to date, making the technology part a little bit more relevant. And finally, we're here today, and we're going to be in high definition. Everything is going to be, more modern, more relevant, more technologically advanced. And I think in this day and age in broadcasting, it's very important. And I'm just so grateful and happy that on 15 on 15's 4-year anniversary, we were able to launch it and have a brand new look, because we want to keep fresh, we want to keep the viewers captivated and interested, and to do that you need to come up with new things. And I'm so glad we were able to work it off and pull it off and do this. I just want to give a big thank you to all the sponsors of 15 on 15, and of course they're sponsors of ATV as well. Without them we couldn't have done it. And I want to thank Tom. Aldrich Royalman is our creative producer. He really was the one who launched the show day one 4 years ago. He came up with that concept, and now this is also him, and he came up with this concept. And also I have to thank Lino and Neil and all the graphics and editors and everybody. So even though when you only see me and you only hear me on the show, there's a big team supporting me. For instance, there are a lot of interviews that you, Francie, who does them for me, Aishol, Alejandra, who does Pulso, Roseanne, Marco, Speed. There's a lot of people behind the scenes of 15 on 15 that you don't see, and I have to thank everybody. It's not just me. It's not a one-woman show, because the show would never go on air otherwise. So there's a lot of support from ATV, from master control to graphics to even Julissa, Emily, everybody. So I'm just very grateful for everybody, and I just want to take this opportunity to say that. And Giovanni and Elton. There's so much more.
And Ronnie, and Francie, and Aisha.
Team da grande,
Também olha sa Team G5.
Basta desse momento entusiasmado.
Ito sino, awit hindi ako entusiasmo.
Siguro kasi nostura kaya bolo. Kevin, thank you Yanto for that, for our nice cake today and our little celebration for 15 on 15. Nós Team G5 biyahe mas, quero felicitar Yantel pa bom trabalho que ela vinta exercer informando nos comunidade e também visitante ng pe último 4 anos e siguro hopi ayamas.
Siguro que sí, va bien.